What is going on in Sav? If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. We are almost at 2,000 followers. I want to make a goal to try to get to 10,000 followers. Once I get to 10,000, I'll be able to do a lot more. So let's make that a goal. So if you guys haven't already, pause the video and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. So let's get started. So in a recent video I made, I promised you guys once it hits 500 likes that I'll include the file for download for free. This huge collage file. So I'm excited to announce that I have the file and I'm gonna actually list it on the website now. So by the time you guys watch this video, it will be listed on the website for free for you to download. Now, as you guys know, I'm still a growing channel. I only have 2,000 subscribers, which is okay for me. However, I am not perfect, so I probably should announce that the actual original file of the collage, I was actually using it as a template to create for other clients, just to make things easier. I don't know why. Now looking back, I don't know why I did it, but I accidentally I saved or overrided what I had originally. Now, this isn't all bad. I always find a way to turn it into good. So I'm still gonna list this file into the downloads. This is the actual file. As you can see on the screen, it has a lot of holes in it, which isn't bad though. This isn't bad. I'm actually going to include this one in there so that you guys can have free range to do whatever you want. Because I know that I also listed in the 1K pack one of my old collages, and it was already done, and I feel as though it kind of takes away from your creativity. So I feel like this works perfectly. It takes away from your creativity because I would see people just post the collage as is, didn't change anything. So I want you guys to create and have full range for the collage. And yeah, so another thing that I'll do to make up for people that are disappointed, in my next video, I'm gonna walk you guys through just the steps to remaking it. So that's it, guys. This was just a quick update. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna announce some things really soon. So make sure you guys follow. Everything will be in the description. Let's get it. Let's keep growing. Let's keep grinding, guys. And let's go. Until next time.